I got this awesome new product for you today. This is the Kuhaimi 4K capture card. This thing can capture 4K video up to 60 frames per second and 1080p up to 240 frames per second. Let's see what's all included. It comes with an HDMI cable. It also comes with this USB Type-C cable. Very nice cable. This cable right here is braided. And it also comes with some instructions. And then the capture card itself. This capture card is very easy to use. It's just plug and play. You don't have to install any extra drivers to get this working. I recommend using software OBS. This capture card also has low latency, means there's no delay in capturing any of the video you're capturing. And this device is also compatible with many different devices and software. You can hook this up to your PS4, your PS5, your Xbox, and capture all that video and put them in the software and put you in the video with it. It's very easy to use. I highly recommend this product. This capture card is very futuristic looking. It looks very nice. It's got your HDMI in and HDMI out. On the back side, it's also got some vents. And then it's got your USB Type-C, your headphone jack if you're streaming, and your microphone jack. Let's hook it up and see it in action. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to connect your device to the HDMI in port. Today I'm going to be capturing the PlayStation 5, so I'm going to plug it right there. Once you get your cord plugged in, then you want to connect the unit to the PC. Just connect the USB Type-C connection on the back, and then plug this end up to your computer. Once you get it plugged in, the device will light up. Then all you do after that is open your OBS software or whichever software you prefer. This capture card also works on Windows, Linux, Mac, OS X, and Android. Okay, now I'm successfully capturing my PS5 to my OBS software. And what's cool about this is you can resize this to any size you need. You can also use this HDMI out to display your image on a different screen while you capture it from this screen.